my name is Nancy Petrie.
I'm Charles.
When disaster struck my family, Nationwide was the first to help me. When the insurance companies tried to give me the lowest numbers, Nationwide negotiated with them and helped me. They negotiated 3 times the amount that the insurance company was trying to give me. They helped me find temporary housing so that my children could stay in the same school.
The temporary housing provided by Nationwide was clean and comfortable. While the repairs were being made, we were in constant communication with Nationwide. They gave us day-to-day updates on work being done and materials required for the repairs.
Nationwide Adjusting Company and contractors let us choose our own cabinets, our countertops, and they done our flooring, and it's very nice.
We were able to upgrade from Formica to solid granite. Also, the ceramic tile was put in and it was a custom design. Hardwood flooring is brand new throughout the home. We have custom railing, which is not obvious to film, but it's very beautiful artwork design. Brand new appliances. Appliances are stainless steel. All this was done by the professional work and the hard work, aggressive work by Nationwide on our behalf. Nationwide Adjusting Company and their contractors worked diligently and aggressively to make sure that we received all compensation that was due to us.
We even received surprises from them where they done extra work.
I feel as though we made the right choice by choosing Nationwide. There were many other contractors who gave offers. We saw many portfolios and brochures and even some videos such as this one. But in my opinion, Nationwide were above and beyond what we were expecting. As you can see, we have a beautiful home. We weren't out for a tremendous amount of time. The work was done in a timely fashion.
To sum it all up, Nationwide Adjusting Company and their contractors, I will recommend them to anyone.
We've had many friends and family members ask us about the work that was done in the house, and we were proud to say that it was done by Nationwide. Many of them have inquired whether or not they would be able to have work done on their own. We informed them that this was work done as a result of a tragedy, but out of tragedy came triumph, and we're completely satisfied.
And if anyone wanted to contact me, they could contact Nationwide Adjusting Company, or they can write me.